Take on snow and ice with the Winguard Winspike. Named a top 6 tire by a popular third-party consumer magazine, this studdable winter tire is ready for the road ahead no matter the weather. The Winguard Winspike offers wide coverage from sedans, light trucks, CUVs, and SUVs. This tire comes in 73 sizes, ranging from 13 to 18 inches, and offers fitments for European-style delivery vans as well. Experienced winter drivers know firsthand that Winguard Winspike scores exceptionally well in both snow and ice traction. Dig into snow and ice with 12 random stud lines. The calculated placement of these lines delivers a quiet ride and superb traction. For even more winter weather traction, the Winguard Winspike's V-shaped tread pattern and rigid block design enhance grip on both snow and ice. Additionally, the wave and step-style sipes maximize traction and handling, even in icy conditions. Stay in control in any weather. The Winguard Winspike comes with 36 months of roadside assistance. There's no driving challenge quite like snowy and icy roads, but with the Winguard Winspike studdable tires, you can embrace winter conditions with confidence.